Welcome to the construction site. Let's meet our friends. This is Scoop. He digs and carries. This is Digger. He reaches high and low. This is Splash. He's small but mighty. This is Rex. He can reach really far. This is Dumpy. He carries big loads. This is Patch. He fixes things. Together, they're the construction team. Let's count 5 dirt piles. 1. Each vehicle has a special color zone. Scoop matches yellow. Let's build the tallest tower. One block. Uh-oh, it's wobbling. It's okay. Good job, team! Oh no! Dumpy is stuck! Scoop clears the sand. Rex and Digger push. Dumpy is free! Yay! Let's learn shapes by building. Circle, round like a wheel. It's raining! A puddle is blocking our way. Is it safe to drive through? Splash checks how deep it is. What's heavy? What's light? What's heavy? What's light? Oh dear, that rock is super heavy. Scoop is using all his power. And look, he finally lit. The ball is light. Let's follow the arrow path. Turn right. Safety cones mean be careful here.